welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Donna Shen, and today I'm presenting to you this really gorgeous kit, by the way, by HeySoulSticker. This was kind of like an exclusive limited edition Lunar New Year kit, and I'm just here planning for the week of Lunar New Year, which was February 8th through 14th. Yes, that's right. I was thinking of doing like a Valentine's Day spreadish, but then I don't know, I just saw this kit and it like completely changed my mind. And so I like kind of deviated from the regular reds and pinks to this like really vibrant red and like red and black ombre with super like vibrant gold foiling. And overall I just really loved how the spread came out. And so, as I'm kind of doing right now, I'm setting it up pretty differently from the way I usually set up my weekly spreads. And so I kind of go in with like the classic Erin Condren style, considering I had like a full set of glitter headers along with some decorative elemented ones as well. And so I just kind of like alternated between the 4, 5, 6. I don't really remember how many decorative styles of like headers there were, but I just like kind of alternated between all of those. And not gonna lie, it was like pretty difficult adjusting because then I like suddenly realized as I was putting like all the full boxes down that this wasn't like Happy Planner styled full boxes, and so there was just again that weird gap, and I just always forget every time I buy kits like these. But you know, I was able to adjust to it pretty well because there was a lot of decorative stickers as well, and so I just kind of used those stickers to like fill up that little space where I felt like I could. Also, I was like really struggling with the white gel pen that I used in this week. I don't even remember the name. It's not even worth mentioning because don't even get it. It's terrible. I would like prefer the Sakura Jelly Roll pen. That's white. That's the best one. Don't get any other pen. Sorry. I just felt the need to say that, but it just this white pen that I was using just gave me so many difficulties. I couldn't even like write over it multiple times, and it just had this like really weird streaky effect when I tried to write on the dark boxes, and it just looked super ugly. I had to like improvise and like cover it up with these other dark stickers. I don't think I filmed that part, but just know that like I had to like really fix up those date numbers because they were just bugging me so bad. But otherwise, here I am just like setting down the full boxes, and as you can see, those little gaps that can be a little bit irritating if you're a perfectionist like me, but I made it work because I just improvised a little bit. So I did skip most of the sidebar, but I go into that a little bit later. But starting out with Monday, I want to mark that I had to schedule a phone call and an interview with this hiring manager. I also marked work with this hexagon sticker from the kit. And I had this cutlery sticker from the Happy Planner budget accessory book. And I layered that with a circle sticker. And I just want to mark some meal prepping that I want to do that week. I also washed my mask that day, and so that mask sticker is from Happy Dia. And I also want to edit the plan with me that you're currently watching right now. And that's just a little things from the kit. And at the bottom of Monday, I put down this third box that just want to mark that I want to fold and finish my laundry. Tuesday, I had to file my tax return, and so I had an appointment at 10 to do that, and so I layered that with a deco sticker. Below that, I put down this quarter label, and as you can see, I have difficulty with the stupid white pen again. It just wasn't like coming out, the ink, and yeah. Frustrating as hell. But anyways, that car sticker that I put right on top of it was from My Little Puffy, and I just want to mark that time that I want to get some gas. Afterwards, I want to go to the Asian market. One was the Korean grocery store, and the other was like the general Asian grocery store. And that grocery bag is from Paper and Milk, and I layered that with another one of those circle stickers from the kit. I also want to mark down what I had for lunch that day, and that's just a little things from the kit. And on to Wednesday, I started out with this third box again, and I just want to mark that I had a DoorDash shift. And here I am, doing the sidebar randomly, and putting down like some of these little slivers of the leftovers that I had from the washi. And you can see that I go in with that gold foiled and dark red one. And I just want to mark with another My Little Puffy sticker that I want to practice some doodling on my iPad Pro. I downloaded Procreate, and honestly I've been having so much fun with it, and I can't wait to see like what other kind of designs that I can do with the app as well. And just overall I'm just like experimenting and seeing like what works best for me. Below that though, I want to edit the plan with me, and I use this flag and a decorative element. And I left Wednesday evening empty with this scalloped half box and another decorative sticker. And I go in, finish that sidebar with that paper and milk meal sticker, along with some checklists and next week quarter label, habit trackers, and all the decorative washi strips. Thursday was my first day of work for the week, and so I marked that with another hexagon sticker. And then I wanted to upload this plan with me that you're watching right now at first, but honestly it got pretty busy for me today, so you might just get it on Friday, which is, you know, completely fine because that's Lunar New Year's Day, and this is a Lunar New Year kit. It just makes sense. Anyways, I did get pretty busy today because I was doing some more grocery runs from Trader Joe's and Smith's, or Kroger for most people. And again, that shopping cart is from Paper and Milk as well. And I want to write a couple things that I want to buy that I couldn't get at the Asian market. The list goes a little bit longer than that. I like extended the heart checklist, but you'll see that a little bit later. But anyways, I move on to Friday. I extend the decorative washi into where the white space was below that full box. And then I also marked work below that with another hexagon sticker. And then I used this random little thing sticker to put to do on it because there were no actual headers in the kit. And I also put down that decorative sticker along with this overload of work sticker with this bear by Happy Daya. And I want to mark something that I need to do for work and to update my budget planner. Otherwise, Friday was super uneventful in terms of like plans that I had, so I just put a bunch of other decorative elements at the bottom of that. And then on Saturday morning, I had work again. And then I wanted to add this coffee sticker, and that's from the Winter Sticker Book by Happy Planner. And again, with those decorative circle elements, just to mark that I want to make some coffee before I headed to work in the morning. And afterwards, I plan to clean, do some like super deep cleaning, do another set of laundry, and to sort out my closet, which honestly I've been procrastinating. I've been meaning to do it for a couple of weeks now, but I've just been cleaning other things. So you know what? At least it's not like I'm not being productive, you know? Anywho, I move on to Sunday. I pack on the glitter headers, and I used a bunch of decorative elements to mark that this was Valentine's Day. And I also put down that scalloped half box. I forgot about the weekend banner, so I stuck that down too. But on Sunday, unfortunately, I am working because I work in the spa industry, and like Valentine's Day is an important day, so I had to report to work, unfortunately. But before I go to work, I want to see if I can get myself a Starbucks pink drink. And that drink is from HeySoulSticker, and I layered that with another circle sticker. I also wanted to mark church with this Kina Prince praying hand sticker and a decorative washi. And at the bottom, I put down this third box that just wanted to mark that I wanted to plan the next week. And now I'm just going in with some of the other decorative elements that were left over, just to fill up some more space where I felt like there was just too much white space. I really enjoyed the little decorative elements in this particular kit because it was just like super pretty, super decorative, and I felt like it truly paid homage to what Lunar Year is supposed to be like every year for people who celebrate it. And so, yeah, this is just an overall look of the spread, and I will go ahead and show you some of the leftover stickers that I had. So yeah, this pretty much sums up the entire video. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this, feel free to give a like, comment down below, and subscribe if you haven't already. I'm always posting plan with me's, haul videos, and other planner related content, so just stay tuned for the next video, and until next time you guys, goodbye!